element. So he tries to symbolize the element by using the alphabet. And he said, if the first, by using the first letter of the English name or Latin name or Greek name of the element, and the first letter will always be capital letter. If the two elements have the begin with the same letter, then in that case first letter and the second letter can be used, and the second letter is, first letter always capital and second letter is always small. Suppose first and second letter also as a similar, then first letter and some other letter can be made use, like carbon, calcium, chromium, cadmium. All these begins with the C. So carbon has been used taking the symbol C, chlorine C, and some first letter C and some other letter of the chlorine Cl. Copper Cu. Copper has taken from the Latin word cuprum Cu. Iron is the English name, but its Latin name is ferrum Fe. First letter F is capital and the second letter is small. So in this way he tries to symbolize the element. Like a hydrogen. Hydrogen is Latin name is hydrogenium, symbol H. Carbon, Latin name carbonium, C. Iron, Latin name ferrum, Fe. Copper, cuprum, Latin name. So Cu. So in this way he tries to symbolize the element. So it means how do we define the symbol of an element? Shorthand representation of an element. Shorthand representation of an element is called symbol. Shorthand representation of an element is called symbol. Now, what are the significance of symbol? What are the significance of symbol? First of all, when we write carbon, it gives name of the element. When we write C, it also gives the name of the element. When we write C, it represents one atom of carbon. But when we write CARBON, it does not give idea how many carbon atoms. So it represents the definite number of atoms. It represents definite mass. It represents the definite mass of atom. It represents definite number of mole that we will study later on. So once again, significance of symbol, it represents the name of the element. It represents definite number of atom. It represents definite mass of atom. It represents definite number of mole. If you have any doubt, please let me know during your online time with 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.